Hey guys, it's OrthoMike here, today with another episode of OrthoMike Orthodontics TV. Today we're going to be talking about virtual consultations and virtual treatment visits. So let's get started. Alright guys, so like I said, we're starting out this video. What you're going to need are some spoons. But first, make sure you wash your hands, of course, make sure they're nice and clean. Then go grab yourself some spoons and I'll show you how to get this started. So let's begin. You're going to take the two spoons, and the front picture we're going to take is of the front of the teeth. So watch closely. So for this, you're definitely going to want to have someone helping as well. Take those photos. Just make sure someone in your house can help you with that. That's the first picture. Let's take the next side picture. Then we'll do the other side. The next pictures we're going to take are the upper and the lower of the teeth. And let's do the lower. All right, so that pretty much sums it up. With these 5 photos, you can send them to me, whether you're just getting another orthodontic adjustment, whether you have any questions, whether you need me to, check your teeth, make sure they're moving properly, if you have any concerns. Also, if you're a new patient, these 5 photos are going to be extremely helpful in giving you some sort of idea of maybe how long the treatment is going to be, and then I'll get back to you shortly, and maybe we'll schedule a consultation. Thanks, and have a great day.